Okay, this is a really nasty day out here today. I've been at it for Jesus, like 3 hours, and now I have to head back. And I've already been, looking through this area where I am, but I must have missed this one. And I'm heading back, and I see this guy in the water here. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Ow. Missing a little bit of the tip there. But still beautiful. God, I thought there was no more points in this place. It felt like I was just getting hosed today. Until this. This is nice. It's a nice one. I like the red ones. This little sliver of white on the base. It's cool. God, it is cold out here too. I can't even hold it up. Whew. It's a sweet one though. It's really sweet. Awesome. Alright.